In today's video, we are talking about finally hitting that $10,000 mark. $10,000 is the start of your entrepreneurship journey. And why do I say that? $10,000 a month might be a lot to you. With the help of $10,000 a month, you are going to be free from your job. So you should aim for $10,000. If you are from a third world country, $10,000 is a lot to you. I'm going to give you some tips, tricks to get to that $10,000. At number one, you have not giving up. I know so many people that were this close to making money online and they stopped. Nothing in life is fast and efficient. Everything is slow, and that's how it acts. As soon as you make money, everything starts going fast. Boom, money here, money here, money here, money here, money here, money here, money here. But in the beginning, it's hard and not as fast. At number two is working for someone else. This might be a good thing and a bad thing. Is that person a good role model and a good mentor for you? If the answer is yes, go work for him. If the answer is no, don't work for him. Don't go working in a supermarket or whatnot else. If you want to work, don't work in a supermarket. It's not beneficial and it doesn't help you make money in any realm. You need to be a peasant before a king. I'm giving away $5 every single video. So watch to the end. I'll give you a QR code or something to comment down, and the first person that does that, I'll pay him $5 in PayPal. Just leave your email. At number three, we have concentrating your forces. What does that mean? Let's say you have an empire. Let's say China. Is it better to thin the country thin of soldiers, the entire bit, or just in the borders? What do you think? The true answer to this is at the borders, because the whole country is going to be protected. That's what you need to do with your business too. I say don't spread your company as a piece of paper. Do you know why? You won't have resources and manpower to complete stuff. Let's say you do marketing, you do copywriting. If you have 5 copywriters that work for you, you shouldn't make those 5 people do different jobs. You should make those 5 people work on the same project and continue and make it done faster. You'll get your 5 projects done faster and more efficiently and with more quality. Why? Because 5 copywriters are going to work on that. At number 4, you have working on the mind and heart of other people. What do you mean by this? If I'm talking to you about making money, I'm not going to tell you that it takes 4 years of hard work and dedication to make a single cent. I'm going to tell you it's super easy and beneficial. You can make a lot of money online, you can do this. Those are all true things. But do you have the willpower? Do you have the discipline to do that? If the answer is no, it may take you a year. If the answer is yes, it may take you a day or 2 or 3. You need to play to other people's feelings and you need to amplify it. Let's say you know someone does crypto. Let's say you know someone that does dropshipping. His last 3 ads dropped. And now for the 4th ad, you're telling him, bro, I just researched like 20 days for this will help you do this. You need to try it. I myself made $4,000 with this with only $500 in marketing. Can you please help me, bro? Boom. He'll say yes, why not? So that's tip 4. At number 5, you have reputation. Everything in your life is yours because of reputation. If you're a slave working a 9 to 5, it's because of your reputation. You do not know anyone. Your word has no weight. I'm quite compendious and I'm particularly concise. What I speak, I mean it. My word, every single sentence that I spoke has the weight of tons. Your has the weight of kilos. 1 kilo, 2 kilos. Mine are tons. You need to have a reputation. If I say I'm going to give away $5 in today's video, I will. If I say won't, I won't. So, if you want that $5, comment Bible. I'll give it to you. At number 6, you have to make it seem easy. If you're talking to clients, to friends, to family, to colleagues, you need to make everything sound easy as it flows as butter. Why is that, guys? Do you know? I'll tell you why. Because if you show them, they'll believe in you. And this coagulates with number 7. Show them, don't tell them. Do your action first, then you tell them. Don't say to people, I'll be a businessman. Become a businessman and say, I'm a businessman. That's all there is to it, my friend. Number 8, we have having a plan B. Let's say I do personal branding right now. I have my personal brand, I do this. You should always have a plan B. You should always make a Telegram, a Discord, a community of people. If you have a community of people, you'll not be broke, because there's always people in need of something. That may be ads, marketing, social media, anything. People always need stuff, food. People need anything. Drop a like and subscribe to this video. Like I said, have an amazing and beautiful day. I'll catch you in the next video.